So here we have a much older specimen. I did not actually collect this one. This was collected in 1912 in Cameroon, which we have a lot of old stuff. So this is a hairy frog. You want to see him? There's two frogs. There's a hairy one and a not hairy one, but they're the same species. And so the hairy one is a boy, and the not hairy one is a girl. And so we don't really understand why they're hairy. The hair gets way longer than this. And what we think potentially is happening is that they actually use the extra hair as, it's not hair, it's actually thin, tiny pieces of skin, like you pricked the skin with a needle and drew out a piece of skin. And so that skin has blood vessels in it. And so we believe that it's actually extra surface area for breathing through their skin. So all those salamanders that you find in your backyards here in San Francisco,
Can we pass that around?
you can, sure, just be careful with it.
I wish we could.
All those salamanders you find in your backyard in San Francisco, none of those have lungs. They're all lungless salamanders. They don't have larvae, they don't go through metamorphosis, so they're sort of like non-amphibians in a funny way, right? So we have plenty of those long, skinny salamanders you find in your backyards in San Francisco. They don't have lungs, they're breathing only through their skin, and they just lay eggs, little clutches of eggs from which hatch little tiny salamanders, but they're still amphibians.